What you doing? What you doing? Are you trying to climb over that? Give Miss Shelly your passy so you can talk better. Give me your passy. Give me your passy. Whip, whip. Where'd it go? Look. Say, Fitz. Really? You want to go up there, don't you? Too dangerous. Too dangerous. You want to show Mama how you go down the stairs? Oh, that's Miss Shelley's insulin pump. We don't need to mess with that. All right, look. Come here. Oh. Shut up.